Alright, so here we are on the Instagram app, and we are going to scroll down here to sign up. And we're going to sign up with phone or email, or you can use your Facebook account. We'll go ahead and I'm going to use email with a new email address. Okay, created a password. Welcome to Instagram, the Wicked Griffin Designs. Okay, and we go to next. You can connect to Facebook and find your friends. In this case, I'm going to skip it just because, it's pretty self-explanatory. And we'll skip that, and add a profile photo. So let's go ahead and add from our library. There we go. Okay, also share this photo as a post. So if we were to keep that on, that would actually make our very first post this picture. I don't want to do that. So I'm going to uncheck and click next. And we can save the login info. We'll go ahead and do that. You can do any of this if you want. It's just suggesting people that you should follow. Go ahead and do it if you want. And next. Have your contacts periodically synced. For privacy reasons, I don't like doing that. And I don't know. How do you think the people in your contacts list feel about that? Do they have permission? Okay, I'm gonna click cancel that. So welcome to Instagram. Here's some people. Alright, so in the next video, we're going to get familiar with the basics of Instagram. So see you then!